Yeah, we have 5 out of 7 that are dead.
And they're right next to the cabin.
We're going to go ahead and cut those trees ourselves.
So far, these are the trees that we've identified. We're gonna try to cut as many as we can that is far from the cabin. We want to remove that first until we get to the side of the cabin. So all of those trees right there gonna be cut. That's also good fire buffer. I want to get into the action also of cutting the trees. We got our chaps and our gloves. This is the area we're going to be cleaning up right now. Then we're going to cut this tree, the trees on the other side of the cabin. All that we're going to cut. 15 trees that we're going to be cutting at least.
Wish us luck.
We are clearing out for our outhouse. We are actually adding a workshop. This, and all of that there. It's gonna be exciting here. To the rescue! He's going to use the grapple to just grab this, position it over to the other side. Today, we are using our Kubota tractor and our Grapple. In our last videos, you saw us cut some trees and do some underbrushing. So today, we're going to use our tractor and Grapple to pick up those things and clean up the area.
I gotta cut that one down. I can't drive over it.
Love it.
Nice.
It's great, baby.
That was gonna be a problem right there for my tractor.
Mm-hmm. Look at this one too. Look like a plate.
Yes. Here we go.
Ooh. Man.
Cut it right down.
Nice.
I'll cut that one over there later.
Our tractor has a low profile, so cutting down those stumps is very important. Jock decided to approach it from the other side of the cabin. Now he's going to be pulling all of these things away from the cabin and into the opposite side of their clearing so that someday we can chip them up or cut them up. Look at that. Just one swoop and done. This grapple really makes a lot of our work here at the ranch so much easier. I may have mentioned in our past videos that the grapple is Jock's favorite tractor attachment. Well, how about you? What's your favorite tractor attachment? Put your comments below. Let us know what's your favorite. Now that we're clear, now we can start cutting those. We need to already cut this. What do you think? Yeah. Or do we need to cut this one so that it will fall this way? Right? We're gonna make them fall this way, babe. Over this. Yeah. Rope over here. Like that. Now we can make them drop over there. Yeah. And then and then drag them by the butt. Back this way and drag them out. Yep. You need to cut them, and I'm going to pull that the same way we were doing before. Right now, I'm just resting while Jack is preparing for our next cut. But we cut a lot of trees and we're gonna cut some more here. So 15 more trees and we'll call it a day. But I think we're gonna do 10 tonight and then 5 more tomorrow.
Come closer, baby.
Closer?
Yeah. Come on.
Huh?
Come on. You're gonna let the horse out. Yeah, that's good. Now let the winch out. Back up.
Hold on.
Slowly. Go ahead. Back up. Hold on. Bring your winch in. All right, back it out. Out. Back up. Back up.
Up.
Back up.
I'll back up.
Back up. Winch. Winch.
It's in, out.
Out. Back up. Back up. Keep backing up. Keep on. All right, that's good. Hold it right there. Just hold what you got. I got to get fuel for it.
Okay, my assignment is to back up. I have the winch. It's connected to the tree. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's connected to the tree and I will be backing this up so that I can pull this out and away, make sure that it's not dropping on the cabin. Exciting.
Okay, I'm back with the fuel for the chainsaw.
goal is for me to move this tree to the other side of our clearing. I tried to remove this tree in one piece, but part of it was stuck in between two trees. I made multiple attempts to get this tree out, but it just wouldn't move. We were starting to lose daylight, so we had to change our plan. After several failed attempts, we decided to cut this tree into 3 portions. Yep, that made it easy. Got the first piece out, then the second, and now we're getting out the third. The goal was to cut down 5 trees today, but we were only able to cut down 1. That's okay. Practice makes perfect. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.